Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, I'm going to introduce you with advanced, improved, easy to use pesticide sprayer. We have designed this in our campus and you will definitely like it. Let's go through the quick animation to understand what exactly are we trying to do. The advanced and easy to use pesticide sprayer will reduce the pain and improve the profit of the farmer. For spraying pesticide, it's really a painful process, and after undergoing a lot of research and discussing with the farmers, we understand that this is a global problem. We are using pesticide and it is becoming unavoidable. Well, there is a pain in the current traditional method that we follow. It is very heavy and the farmers are made to lift this box which is almost with the pesticide weighing around 25 kgs. Believe me, it is 25 kgs that he is clamping onto his shoulders for the entire duration, which is not really easy. Well, we have we have understood the complete process and we came to know that there are many other problems that are connected to it other than just lifting the weight. Neck pain and back pain are the prominent one, and other than that usage is even a problem. You need to consistently push this to get the pesticide sprayed clearly on the surface. So you need to push it thrice or twice for every time and it is really painful. Other than this, do we have any other problem? Yes, consistently the weight 20 kg of pesticide plus sprayer is 5 kg. It is not easy to lift 25 kgs on your shoulder for about 2 hours or 3 hours to spray the pesticide on the land. Other than this, do we have any other issues? Yes, multiple issues have been reported. It spills on the hand. Spraying against the wind is the toughest, daunting task. The most prevalent symptoms are headache, muscle pain, cough, weakness, eye pain, chest pain, and eye redness. All these with percentage has been presented to you for your quicker reference. So, other than this, can we have some photos which are referred quickly to understand how much impactful it is? See the farmers, they are really suffering. So, what is the solution? Very simple. We need to use technology. We need to use our mind to make sure that we are easing out this task. We are going to reduce the pain, reduce the wastage. Also, we are going to get a solution which is quickly going to be solar powered as well. At this instance, we do not have it solar powered, but it is very easy to use. This is the prototype that we have used. You can see that the farmer need not lift it. The farmer has to drive it through. Yes, we have used a simple cycle wheel along with a simple spraying mechanism, and it's going to take only 45 minutes for an acre to be sprayed with pesticide. Instead of me telling you this way, I can show you the prototype and I can tell you how exactly things work. You could see that here, this is the prototype version that we have made, and I can take you through how we spray it in the farming field also a little later. You can see that we have a mechanism where the pesticide can automatically go from this particular storage medium, the pesticide storage unit, to the rest of the spills through this particular unit. We have got a tube here which is connected here, and once you adjust this nozzle, you get the pesticide going from here automatically through this wire. I will explain you how exactly it is sprayed in the second part of the video while I'll explain you this mechanism here. We have used a simple cycle handwear and we have made this unit where we can hold this completely. The farmer need not lift it now anytime. He need to just drive it through the field. And this is a cycle tire tube that we have used, cycle tire that we have used. And this can be made with little bit of thorns over there so that it can go ahead in the rough patches or in the muddy regions. Now this tire could be a troublesome thing which we are working on. We'll get you a thorny tire which will still manage to go around. Now you can see that that tube is coming out here and we have got a special jet nozzle available here in both of these ends. I'm going to show you that right now, and with this setup we can scroll through that easily, quite easily, and you could see that right now here we have got a simple easy to use setup. This is not very expensive though, and you can see that here we have got a jet nozzle here through which you can spray it. It is adjustable. You can adjust it. You can adjust the speed at which you want the pesticide to be sprayed. The height is adjustable because for certain vegetables or certain items you need to spray it at a lower level, and certain you need to spray it from the higher level. You can adjust this as well. This is movable, and all these are completely done adjustable variable jet nozzle with the variable speed for spraying the pesticide also is available. And this is in the prototype stage. This is fully functioning as well. We are going to add a thorny wheel which is going to be very helpful in all the sort of fields, and I'm going to show you that demo shortly a little later, but for now I hope that you like it. If you have any inputs on this, let me know. We will consider that as well while we are implementing it. This will definitely reduce the pain of the farmer, yet increasing the efficiency on the other hand. Thank you.